Hello students, today we are discussing lines and angles chapter. Lines and angle chapter comes under geometry. Now I am going to give brief overview of geometry. I will give two ways of explanation. First, I will take point having no dimension. Point having no dimension. This is the point. If I extend the point, I am going to get line. This is one dimension. Line is one dimension. First, I will start with point. If I extend the point, then it's going to form line. If I extend the line like this downwards, then it's going to form a rectangle. Rectangle or plane. Plane. This is the 2D. This is 2D, two dimension. If I extend this plane upwards, like there will be a page. If I keep many pages one top of another, then I am going to get notebook. Notebook is what? 3D, solid. So if I extend this plane upwards, then I am going to get solid or 3D shape. I'm going to get 3D shape. First I start with point, then extend the point, I get a line. If I extend the line, then I get a plane. Plane is 2D, line is 1D, one dimensional. And if I extend the plane, then I'm going to get solid or 3D shape. Way of explanation is one to many. First, I will take one point like this. Then I'm going to get line. One to many. First, I take one point. I join many points. Then I'm going to get line. First, I take one point. If I join many points means I'm going to get line. If I join two lines, then I'm going to get angle. If I join three lines, then I'm going to get triangle. If I join two triangles, then I'm going to get quadrilateral. Three triangles, pentagon. Four triangles, hexagon. Six triangles, heptagon. Like this. If I increase many triangles, infinite triangles, then I'm going to form circle. Circle. Then if I cut the circle here and make it straight, means I will get again line. So we started with line, again we came back to line. First, one more way of explanation is one to many. First, I take point. If I extend the point, I am going to get line. One line. If I join two lines, then I am going to get angle. If I join three lines, I am going to get triangle. If I join many triangles, if I join two triangles, quadrilateral, three pentagon, hexagon, like that. If I infinitely many triangles, if I join means I am going to get circle. If I cut the circle and if I make it straight, it's going to form again line. Okay. And this is the circle. Think this is the bangle. If I keep many bangles one top of another, then I'm going to get solid or cylinder. This is the 3D shape. I keep one bangle and this is the 3D. Okay. In between, from point to solid, in between, angles, quadrilaterals, triangles, circles, solids, we going to study in geometry. Coming back to lines. How line going to form? Point, if you extend the point, line going to form. This is the line. This line will be line also classified into three types, like If line is moving both ends, then it is called straight line. If both ends fixed point, then it is called line segment. One end fixed point, one end moving. This is ray. This is called ray. Example for ray is torchlight. Rays, like we will call light rays. From torch, rays will go like this. One starting point and starting one fixed point, one end is fixed, one more end it's moving. So this is the example for ray. Side of a square is example for line segment. This is all about lines. In lines, we start with point. If I extend the point, I'm going to form line. Lines will be different types. If both end moving, then it is straight line. Both end fixed point, line segment. One end a fixed point, one end moving means this is ray. I'm coming back to angles. How we can define angle? For angle also two ways of definition. Like we can define two ways. If I take one ray and if I rotate like this, then it's going to form angle theta, angle. Otherwise, from a point, if two rays are emerging, this is one ray, this is one ray. This is called angle. First explanation is take a ray and rotate it, then angle going to form. Second explanation is take a point. From a point, if two rays are emerging, then angle going to form. This angle is also classified in many types. If angle is between 0 to 90 degrees, greater than 0 and less than 90, then we call this angle as acute angle. Acute angle. If angle is exactly 90, theta is equal to 90 degrees, then it is called right angle. Angle is more than 90 degree, greater than 90 degree, and less than 180 degree. Then we call it as obtuse angle. The ray, if I am rotating, I will stop here. Then it is going to form straight angle. If theta is equal to 180 angle. If angle is more than 180, angle is more than 180. Theta is more than 180 and less than 360. Then it is called reflex angle. Reflex angle. This is the ray. I'm starting with here, rotating, and again if I come same place, from here to again same place, I complete one circle. This is called complete angle. Angle theta is equal to 180. Theta is equal to 180. This angle is called complete angle. Now I will briefly revise one more time. Angle, we can define angles two ways. If I take one ray, if I rotate the ray, angle going to form. Otherwise, from a point, if two rays are emerging, then also angle going to form. This is the two ways of explanation for angles. There will be different types of angles. If angle is between 0 and 90 degrees, then it is called acute angle. If angle is exactly 90 degrees, then it is called right angle. If angle is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees, then it is called obtuse angle. If angle is equal to 180 degrees means straight angle. If angle is between 180 and 360, then it is called reflex angle. If angle, if one ray rotates one circle, like otherwise, if it is completes one circle, then it is called a complete angle. Angle theta is equal to 360 degrees. Think if I have two lines, then there will be only two chances. The two lines can be intersecting. These two, this is one line, this is one more line. Line L, line M. These are the two lines. These two lines are intersecting. One more option, one more way is two lines are not intersecting. These lines are not intersecting. This is also line L. This is M. This L and M lines are not intersecting. This here two lines are intersecting. Here two lines are non-intersecting. Uh, these two lines also non-intersecting, comes under non-intersecting LM. But these two lines are parallel lines. Why these two lines are parallel lines? Distance between two lines are same. Distance between two lines are same. If we have two lines means there will be two chances. They can be intersecting or non-intersecting. In non-intersecting, there will be parallel lines, and these are the if sum of two angles. This if sum of two angles, here two angles are the theta 1, theta 2. Okay, if sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 degrees, then we call uh, these two angles as complementary angles. Sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree means these two angles is called as complementary angles. There will be two angles, theta 1 and theta 2. If theta 1 is plus theta 2 is equal to 180, then these two angles are called as supplementary angles. Sum of two angles is equal to 180 means supplementary angles. If there will be a two intersecting lines, then they're going to form four angles. They're going to form four angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, 1 and 3 are vertically opposite angles, and 4 and 2 are also vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle 1 and angle 3, angle 4 and angle 2 are vertically opposite angles.